Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Roni Paslah, SPDMM, dosen program studi S1 Pendidikan Administrasi Perkantoran, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing pertama dari mahasiswa yang bernama Mary Oktaviasari dengan judul penelitian pengembangan media pembelajaran arsip digital berbasis Microsoft Access pada SMK Program Keahlian Manajemen Perkantoran dan Layanan Bisnis. Berikut adalah pemaparan penelitian tersebut. Demikian pemaparan penelitian tersebut. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Oktaviasari from Office Administration Education, student 2019, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will present a research proposal entitled Development of Microsoft Access-based Digital Archive Learning Media in the Vocational High School Office Management and Business Service Expertise Program. Previously, I was guided by two supervisors, namely Mr. Roni Paslah, SPDMM, and Ms. Nadia Fadila, SPDMPD. The following is an explanation of my research proposal. Chapter 1. Background of the problem. The background of the problem that I took was that it started from Indonesia, which was experiencing a very advanced development of information technology and was waiting to enter an era of rapid digitalization. This is evidenced by data from the Central Statistic Agency regarding the development of communication information technology or ICT in Indonesia, which has improved over the past 2 years, marked by an increase in the value of the ICT Development Index, which was 5.59 in 2020 to 576 in 2021, so that the field that influenced the rapid development of science and technology is the field of education in Indonesia. With the entry of information technology and the era of digitalization, especially computer, it has changed the order and role in the field of education. Advance in digital technology required teacher creativity in presenting learning to be a very important principle to apply, so that teacher can recreate new things in the learning process, so that the teacher have variation in the teaching that will make student more active and creative. In addition, in learning media, especially digital archive material, there is still a lack of media variation and learning is still carried out conventionally. Therefore, research tried to develop a Microsoft Access-based digital archive learning media at the Office Management as Business Service Vocational High School. Next, research question. Based on the background above, the research can identify several research questions, namely as follows. First, how to develop learning media based on Microsoft Access for learning digital archive that suit the needs of students using the AD model. Second, what is the feasibility of the product based on the assessment of material expert, media expert, and student on the digital archive learning media products using Microsoft Access. Next, objective study. Based on the research question above, the objective to be achieved by research are as follows. First, develop learning media based on Microsoft Access as a digital archive learning media that is useful for the needs of students. Second, to find out the feasibility result of learning media based on Microsoft Access as digital archive learning media through or the opinion of material expert, media expert, and student. Next, benefit. Based on the research objective to be achieved, the research expect the following benefit is theoretical benefit. provide useful knowledge to follow technological development regarding the development of learning media using Microsoft Access. Practical benefits for research add insight into research regarding the development of R&D in the field of education, especially regarding the development of digital archive learning media, so that the knowledge obtained by research can be applied later to deal with real problems faced in the world of education. For teacher, assist in understanding digital-based document or archive learning materials, and this learning media can be used in the learning process at SMK Negeri 49 Jakarta, especially the MPLB Expertise Program. For student, help improve student understanding in the process of learning practice on digital-based document or archive materials. Chapter 2, Supporting Theory. The supporting theory in this research is media. Media, according to Black and Harrelson, is a medium that is used to carry or deliver a message, where this medium is a path or a tool with a message running between the communicator and the communicant. Learning. According to Dimyati and Mujiono, learning is a process organized by teacher to teach students how to acquire and process knowledge, skill, and attitude. Learning media. Learning media, according to Arshad, are all communication tools in the form of hardware and software that are designed, utilized, and regulated to fulfill learning activities. Next, archive. According to Mulyadi, archives are a collection of documents that have a certain use, which are stored systematically and can be found quickly whenever needed. Next, study of digital-based document or archive learning materials. Digital archive learning material is one of several elements of learning material provided for Class 10 MPLB. Digital archives are archives created in a digital form. Some start a paper archive, then were transferred to media so that they become digital archive. However, there are also those that have been in digital from the start. Next, Microsoft Access. Meanwhile, according to Arif and Purwoko, it is a computer database application program based on relational data collection of information that is interconnected with each other and has a specific purpose. Next, product development models. The product development models in this study is R&D and AD. According to Sugiono, the research and development method is, or in English, research and development is a research method to produce a certain product, and the effectiveness of the product can be tested. Furthermore, the AD development model is one of the systematic learning design development models. The AD development model consists of 5 steps, namely analyze, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Next, relevant research. Some research that is relevant and used as a reference for this research is relevant research. Next, theoretical framework. The following is the theoretical framework that will become the research flow. Chapter 3. Time and place of research. Digital archive learning media using Microsoft Access was carried out at SMK Negeri 49 Jakarta, and this research was carried out in January and July 2023. Types of research. In this study, the method used was research and development, or R&D. In Sugiono, the research and development method is a research method to produce a certain product, and the effectiveness of this product can be tested. Next, development style. In this study, the model developed refers to the AD development models is analyze, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. analyze. This preliminary research is expected to option several aspects of need analysis, namely curriculum, research subject. The subject in this study were one media expert from a lecturer at Jakarta State University, one material expert from an MPLB expertise program teacher at SMK Negeri 49 Jakarta, and 30 students in a class 10 MPLB at SMK Negeri 49 Jakarta. Data type. Data type is qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative data is data in the form of word or verbal. How to obtain qualitative data can be done through interview. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is data or information obtained in the form of number. In the form of this number, quantitative data can be processed using mathematical formula or can also be analyzed with statistical system. Next, data collection technique. Data collection technique in this study were observation, interview, and questionnaire. Next, research instrument. The research instrument is a validation sheet from material expert, media expert, and a questionnaire sheet for user or student. Media expert adapt from the theory of Walker and Hess, which consists of design or appearance aspect and technical or programming aspect. Material expert adapt from the theory of Walker and Hess, which consists of aspect of content or objective and aspect of learning. Learners adapt from the theory of Walker and Hess, which consists of aspect of media expert and material expert. Data analysis technique. Qualitative analysis, critique, and suggest put forward by media expert, material expert, and student. Quantitative analysis. The quantitative data analysis technique used in this study uses descriptive statistical analysis, which is a statistical technique for analyzing data by describing the collected data as it is without intending to make general conclusion or generalization. That's all about the present. Thank you.